Are you throwing money away every time you fill up your tank? Believe it or not, millions of drivers fall for common fuel myths that end up costing them big time. From so-called premium fuel benefits to tricks that claim to improve mileage, these myths are everywhere, and they're draining your wallet. Stick around, because I'm about to expose 9 of the biggest fuel lies that people still believe. And trust me, number 7 is a mistake even experienced drivers make. Let's dive in. Number 1, premium fuel always makes your car perform better. This is one of the most common myths, and gas stations love when you believe it. Premium fuel is designed for high-performance engines that require higher octane levels to prevent knocking. Unless your car's manual specifically says premium required, you're just paying extra for no added benefit. Regular gas already has detergents and additives to keep your engine clean, so unless you're driving a turbocharged sports car or a luxury vehicle with high compression, premium gas won't improve performance or mileage. Don't fall for this pricey trap. Number 2, filling up early in the morning gets you more fuel. The theory goes like this: gas is denser when it's cold, so filling up early gives you more bang for your buck. Sounds smart, right? Unfortunately, this myth doesn't hold up. Fuel is stored in underground tanks where temperatures remain stable 24/7. Whether you fill up at dawn or noon, you're getting the same amount of gas. Focus on driving efficiently instead. That's where the real savings are. Number 3, topping off your tank gives you more miles. That extra click at the pump might seem like you're squeezing in more fuel, but it's actually doing more harm than good. Modern cars have vapor recovery systems that prevent gas fumes from escaping. Overfilling can flood this system, damaging components and wasting gas in the process. When the pump stops automatically, resist the urge to keep squeezing. You're just wasting money. Number 4, using additives will always boost your mileage. Fuel additives can clean your engine or improve performance in certain cases, but they're not magic potions for better mileage. Some older vehicles may benefit from specific additives, but modern engines are already optimized for efficiency. Overusing additives can even damage sensors and fuel injectors. If your engine is running fine, save your cash. That bottle of instant MPG boost probably isn't worth it. Number 5, cruising in neutral saves fuel. Coasting in neutral seems like a clever trick, but it's not only ineffective, it's dangerous. Modern cars are designed to cut fuel supply when you take your foot off the accelerator in gear, meaning you're already saving gas while coasting. Shifting to neutral actually prevents this system from working properly, and worse yet, it limits your control over the vehicle. Stay in gear and let your car do what it's built to do. Number 6, bigger gas stations have better quality fuel. Many people assume that only big-name gas stations provide high-quality fuel, but in reality, most stations, big or small, get their fuel from the same suppliers. The key difference is the additive packages that brands use, which improve cleaning power. Look for stations labeled as top tier. These meet higher standards for fuel quality regardless of size or brand. Don't waste time driving across town just for a well-known station. Number 7, idling saves more fuel than restarting your car. Some drivers believe that turning the engine off and on burns more fuel than simply letting it idle. In reality, idling for just 10 seconds wastes more gas than restarting the engine. Modern engines are designed to start efficiently, so if you're waiting in a parking lot, drive-through, or at a long red light, turning the engine off can save you money in the long run. Number 8, manual cars are always more fuel efficient than automatics. This used to be true. Years ago, manual transmissions were indeed more efficient, but modern automatic transmissions have become incredibly advanced, with better gear ratios and smarter shifting. In fact, some automatics now outperform manuals in both efficiency and performance. Don't assume an older myth still applies. Automatics are no longer the gas guzzlers they once were. Number 9, fueling up halfway prevents fuel evaporation. Some believe that keeping the tank half full minimizes evaporation and improves mileage. In reality, modern fuel systems are sealed to prevent evaporation, regardless of your tank's level. The best way to save money on gas? Drive smoothly, avoid aggressive acceleration, and maintain proper tire pressure. Those strategies will do far more than stressing over your tank's halfway mark. Which of these fuel myths surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're serious about saving money and keeping your car running smoothly, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more expert car tips. Don't forget to share this video with friends. You might just save them from wasting money too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.